Hello and welcome to next lecture. Today we will learn how to voice cluster chords between brass section. What about this chord and how to voice it? There are no major or minor third intervals. We can voice it like this. Two trombones take the F and the G. Two horns play the C and D. Other two horns take the high and the low notes of the chord. Of course, you can voice it between the bass trombone, tenors, and the horns.